So I'm back again with another prompt for our work in progress weekend. As I sort of said yesterday, it's not to stop you working on your current projects. It's just to get, as we saw yesterday, get the piece out that you would like to work on. Something that you haven't completed, and maybe there's a reason for that. Maybe there was a sticking point. If you can't resolve that easily, then the prompt I'm going to do this weekend hopefully will help you. The prompt from yesterday was one stitch, so if you haven't watched the video, I really recommend watching that because I go into a bit more detail about this coming weekend. So the prompt yesterday was one stitch, which I did here with this these French knots. I had already started putting some in there with this lovely variegated thread, which is only very, very gently variegated. And so that was the prompt from yesterday. So if you haven't already done that, give it a pause now, get your piece out, have a little look at it, and just do one stitch, just one simple stitch, and that will cover you for yesterday's prompt. Now today's prompt is a double one. We've got two for you actually, so I'm cheating slightly. I need my other piece. So this is the one I was working on. This is the gift tag that I was working on. I've got two prompts for you today. As we did one stitch yesterday, I would say get your work in progress out. Again, have a look at it, see if there's anything that you want to change, anything that you want to do. And following on from yesterday's prompt of one stitch, how about 1 minute? Just 1 minute of stitching on there, and see how you get on with that. I'm going to do that now. So I've got my thread in there already, and I've got this area to cover here, which is slightly yellowy, and this thread does have a bit of yellow in it as well, so it won't look too out of sorts. And I'm watching the clock on my recording here, so I'm going to do exactly 1 minute, so it doesn't have to be exactly. If you haven't got time to do it now, then find yourself some space in the diary. Let's move that one out of the way for the moment. So I'm going to just do a minute of French knots, and I do have a separate video for how to do French knots if they're your bugbear. They're actually one of my favourite stitches. I didn't get on with them at first, but I do now. So I'm literally taking up a minute of my time, and I think however busy we are, and we are all busy and we've got things going on, I think you can take 1 minute out at some point in the weekend to just make some progress on a piece that you've been working on. And the idea being, just do a little bit and it will take us back into feeling confident about it. That's my minute up, I think, and I've just lost my needle off the end of there, so let me rethread that. And that's my task for the day. That's your task for the day. 1 minute on your old work in progress. If you end up then enjoying yourself and carrying on and doing a bit more, absolutely fantastic. But don't feel the pressure to do that. Just slow and steady wins the day, doesn't it? I have another prompt as well that may help you. If you're a bit stuck and you're just not feeling it with it, get your current project out and have them side by side, or have them near to you where you would normally sit and work, and alternate. So a little bit on this one, a little bit on that one. So I've done a bit on here. I'm going to get some thread now for this one. Let's see what we've got. I think I'll maybe do some gold here. So I'm going to get my gold thread out and just doing a little bit of alternating between them, so you feel that you're achieving something, but you're not giving up on your new project. You don't want to be doing that. It's just to be doing something a bit different. And especially if you have a project where there is a lot of the same sort of stitch to be done, it may feel a bit dull, and maybe that's why you slowed it down or sort of put it to one side. So I actually have French knots to do here as well, so that feels quite sort of sensible that I'm doing French knots. So I'm going to I've alternated between the two, and you could do that a number of times just to sort of keep your interest in both pieces, and sometimes it sparks a bit of imagination. So I'm going to do 4 wraps on these because I want these yellow berries just a little bit bigger than the ones I'm doing on the other piece. It's because they've got something to cover, whereas the other one is just filling an area. So there we go. That's it. I've just done a bit on both, a minute or so on both of them, and yeah, I've got these 2 to take away now and have a little work on. So if you're in the group, there are in the Facebook group, Slow Stitching by Hand with Eleanor Grace, there are already WIP posts regularly in the week, but what I will do is probably add an extra one just for this weekend to say, you know, how are your pieces going? Can you share us, you know, what you've done? Can you show us the pieces you're working on? And has any of this been any help? Please do let us know. Let us know in the comments. And I will have one final post and one final prompt tomorrow. So see you then. Bye.